Welcome to Medicap's PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this radio question which was asked in the year 2024. Now, the question was radiological examination shows tooth-like structure in the interior maxilla. So, this is important hint. Now, they were asking that what could be the most probable diagnosis. So, the options given were compound odontome AOT, which stands for adenomatoid odontogenic tumor, then calcifying odontogenic cyst, squamous odontogenic tumor. Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success. Now the correct answer for you can say tooth-like structure in the anterior maxilla, wherever the tooth-like structure is given, that is compound odontome. So basically, odontome, they are the hematomatous malformations, and there are two types of odontome, either complex odontome or compound odontome. In complex odontome, the you can say radio opaque mass that is in a very disorganized fashion. It will not look like how the you can say normal tooth appears. But in the cases of compound odontome, you can see these calcifications or you can see these calcified masses in the form of tooth surrounding the impacted tooth. Similarly here, this is the impacted tooth. This you can see multiple numerous tooth-like structure. Again, here also you can see this is the clinical picture for compound odontome. Now let's see the other structures. So let's see first this. This is AOT. The most common region for AOT is the anterior maxilla and it surrounds the canine usually. And with time you can even see calcification here. Then the other thing which was given was COC. Here also you can see calcifications, multiple calcifications they are there. So it's a kind of a mixed lesion. Whereas a squamous odontogenic tumor, this is complete radiolucent, you can say, structure, and any tooth-like structure, it is not involved in all three of them. So the correct answer is compound odontome.